Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Headlight 2014 Ford Explorer, easy method. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid electric shock. I'll walk you through locating the headlight housing, removing fasteners, and swapping the bulbs safely. Follow along as I show tips for handling bulbs, testing the new lamp, and securing the housing so your lights work properly on the road tonight. Now open the hood and find the headlight housing on the side you are working on. Remove visible clips and screws carefully, keeping them organized so you can reinstall them easily. Pull the housing forward just enough to reach the rear cover and bulb connector. I will show a steady-handed approach to avoid breaking tabs and how to support the housing while you work so reassembly is smooth and secure. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to help me make more easy car videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleaning effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on projects like headlight changes. It's a nice time saver and worth checking out. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully remove the bulb socket by twisting counterclockwise and disconnect the wiring clip. Remove the old bulb and inspect the socket for corrosion or damage before inserting the new bulb. Handle the new bulb by the base only, then seat it firmly and reconnect the harness. Test the headlight to confirm operation, then realign and secure the housing. I'll share quick checks to ensure beam aim and tight seals for rain protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.